Nigeria's AI landscape is booming with over 400 AI startups and firms, making it the second largest player in Africa's AI ecosystem. The AI market in Nigeria is projected to reach $1.4 billion by 2035. We are seeing incredible innovations with Nigerian startups leveraging AI to tackle challenges within fintech, healthcare, logistics, and agrotech. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm so excited to talk about today's topic, which comes directly from the feedback of one of our subscribers. Our last video sparked some amazing conversations in the comment section, but one comment stood out, asking us to explore or talk about AI tools that startups in Nigeria can use to improve their operations and workflows. Today, I'll be sharing 5 AI tools that are transforming how startups operate, compete, and win in 2025. Each tool has helped real startups cut costs, boost revenue, and reclaim countless hours for what matters, which is providing solutions for their clients. Let's dive in. The first tool I'll be talking about is Notion AI. And before you say it's just another productivity tool, just hear me out. It's not all about organizing your notes. Notion AI transforms your workspace into an intelligent command center. It helps with content generation, automated project planning, database analysis, and knowledge management. Think of it as having a smart assistant that knows about your business inside out. Here is why startups are obsessed with Notion AI. Time multiplication. While your competitors are drowning in documentation and admin work, Notion AI handles the heavy lifting. It can draft project briefs, analyze data trends, generate summaries for meetings, and even create training materials, all while learning about your company's voice and style. Here is where it gets interesting. Companies using Notion AI report cutting content creation time by 40%. But let me give you a more concrete example. Top AI companies, like the ones on Forbes Top 50 AI list, about 94% who are Notion's AI customers use it to streamline everything from employee onboarding to strategic planning. Take FarmCrowdy for instance, a Nigerian-based agri-tech company that is focused on improving inefficiencies in food chain value. They improve project delivery time, leading to more funding and customer acquisition, thanks to reduced admin overheads and improved and faster reporting cycle. When your team can produce high quality content, documentation, and project plans in half the time, you're not just saving hours, you're also improving your output. And that's the difference between a startup that wants to improve their operation and the one that just stalls. The next tool we'll be talking about is Zendesk AI. Truth be told, customer support can either increase or decrease your company's reputation. And you can't always hire a customer success team for every new client you onboard. Zendesk AI isn't just a chatbot, it's your 24/7 customer success team. It uses advanced AI to handle complex customer interactions, automatically route tickets to the right agents, and even predict customer sentiment before issues escalate. Startups usually compete on who provides the best customer experience. And in Nigeria's e-commerce and fintech sector, fast support earns you clients. But hiring a full support team is quite expensive. But with Zendesk AI, even a small team can handle heavy workloads. Instant answers, auto responses, which means customers aren't left hanging. The system learns from every interaction, getting smarter about your specific customers and their needs. Plus, 73% of customers actually believe that AI improves customer service quality. So you are not just cutting costs, you are also improving satisfaction. Here's what's interesting. Nigerian fintech companies like Paystack leverage Zendesk AI to improve support on autopilot, turning customer service into a competitive advantage and ultimately boosting retention and sales. As Paystack's business boomed, they needed the support that could grow with them. Their customer success team reported that Zendesk workflow automations were vital in improving their operations without extra costs. And guess what? Zendesk offers qualifying startups 6 months free, so you can start improving your customer success without burning out. When customer support becomes a competitive advantage for you, not a cost center, you are not just surviving, you are getting ready to dominate the market. The next tool I'll be talking about is Mandala AI. This is a social listening tool that startups are using to turn online conversations and engagements into revenue-driving insights. Mandala AI monitors millions of conversations and engagements across social platforms, websites, and forums in real time. It uses advanced natural language processing to filter out the data your business needs based on your target market. Most startups are lagging behind when it comes to market research concerning their target market. They are making product decisions based on assumptions instead of real customer conversations. Mandala AI changes that completely by tracking brand mentions, competitor analysis, trending topics, and customer sentiment automatically. But here's the crazy part. It doesn't just collect data, it converts it into marketing strategies you can use to sell your product to your target market. A Nigerian e-commerce or fintech startup using Mandala AI could easily identify local influencers or trending topics that's grabbing the most engagement. Take for instance, a new fintech company hears that AI agents are trending on Instagram. Mandala AI can easily help them create targeted ad content immediately that will help them improve their brand awareness. While your competitors are still guessing what customers want, you already know what their pain points are, which can help you improve your brand positioning, product development, and customer acquisition. The next tool I'll be talking about is Google Cloud AI. With this tool, you can get access to business tools that big startup companies use without needing too many tech experts on your team. Google Cloud AI provides a complete AI platform with Vertex AI for model deployment, AutoML for custom models, and pre-trained APIs for speech, vision, and language processing. Think of this as a personal assistant that can help your startup grow. Over 60% of generative AI startups globally are building on Google Cloud. This is because Google offers up to $350,000 in cloud credits over 2 years specifically for AI startups, plus access to models like Gemini 2.0. Forget about the credit, it's about the opportunities bringing to your startup. You cannot deploy machine learning models that cost millions to develop a few years back. Recently, many Nigerian tech companies have been using Google Cloud, like Konga, one of Nigeria's biggest e-commerce marketplaces. Konga migrated to Google Kubernetes Engine and they noticed a massive cost reduction in their cloud management. Before, they were spending about $85,000 per month on cloud infrastructures, but after migrating to Google Kubernetes Engine, they slashed that to less than $30,000 per month. That's like 2/3 of what they were paying initially. For any Nigerian startup in any sector, Google Cloud AI Services offers a way for you to plug into high-end infrastructures and AI tools, and also to help you avoid costly in-house builds. The last tool I'll be talking about is Microsoft Azure AI. This tool helps startups build conversational experience across multiple platforms that drives business growth. Microsoft Azure AI service lets you build intelligent chatbots and virtual assistants with a no-code platform within the Microsoft Copilot Studio. It also powers Microsoft 365 Office and AI assistants within Office apps. With this combination, startups can use everything from cloud servers to first-hand AI capabilities through one provider. Nigeria has a growing community of Microsoft users, and Microsoft Azure gives startups a familiar enterprise-grade platform that's also very flexible and user-friendly. It's secure and integrates well with all existing Microsoft tools. For startups, this means you can create an AI-powered sales assistant, customer onboarding bots, or internal productivity tools within the same platform. Call, a Nigerian fintech that offers a shared service core banking platform called Bank1 to microfinance and small banks. Core deliberately built on Azure so its partners wouldn't need to install expensive local servers. Today, Bank1 powers over 500 banks across 4 African countries, handling more than $12 billion in transactions annually. Core's co-founder points out that Azure's managed database service saves time and resources, where traditional bank software might take 8 to 12 months to install. Core's Azure-based platform can be set up within 6 to 12 weeks. When your website visitors get instant response 24/7, your team gets AI assistance for lead generation, and your customer onboarding runs automatically. Trust me, it's not more about your efficiency, that's your revenue multiplying. So here's the reality. By 2032, 72% of companies are expected to be using AI to solve at least one business challenge. And companies adopting AI automation are expected to boost their productivity by 40% and cost reduction by 30%. Also, companies adopting AI initiatives are going to see their profit margins improve by up to 5%. This can also attract investors because AI startups are raising $45.2 billion in funding recently. Imagine what the AI market can yield in a few years to come. AI is here to stay, and the question is, are you willing to adopt it within your business? If you found this video helpful, Please subscribe, like, and share, and stay tuned for more updates on how you can adopt AI at work and in your business. Thank you.